Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find device information about your Kindle by Amazon. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our settings. From here, go to all settings. Now select device options, device info, and here you will see all information about your device, like space available. So right now I have 27.3 gigabytes of free space, your firmware version, network capabilities, serial number, and Wi-Fi MAC address. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.